Philip Salvador.
Here's Willie Revillame. Nagipagbanggaan kay Herbert Bautista who gave him the knee.
At
intercepted by Anjo Iliana. Iliana against Martin Nievera. He gets the layup.
First 2 points para sa Snaku Green. Mukhang nagkakatamaan itong si Willie at saka si Herbert.
At umulpit si Herbert dahil sa tulak ni Willie.
At a double foul.
Double foul is called on Herbert and Willie. That's the Willie Revillame. Willie going around the block. Puro nakaberde nandun. Pasa kay Manjo. Pinilit din. Mintis. Kay Willie Revillame. 7 seconds. It reads. And an offensive foul is called on Willie. Use your head. Ganun lang yung nasabi ni Direk Bobot. Yun na nga. Sayang. 3-point shot yung na-shoot niya.
Favor of Snaku Green.
Willie still paying lip service to the referees. Hindi pa rin tumitigil kahit naglalaro na. Yes. Sa kabila naman, Joe Marie Iliana. Binit!
Whoa! The one-hander working.
This is for all the marbles. Championship game to ng men's basketball.
That's a hand check foul given by Joe Marie Iliana.
On Willie Revillame who was trying to get position. We would like to thank Ramayana. Dennis Padilla short on that attempt. Blocked on the second by Anjo Iliana. It's outside. And Dennis Padilla is on his knee. Bong Revilla with some antics here right beside us. Tila binabatukan yung sarili niya.
Nahirapan siya sa tira ni Dennis eh.
And the green team, or the blue team, wants to use the... Dennis Padilla had a foot on the sideline as he was squaring up for a three-point shot.
Bigfoot Club, ha? Member pa si Dennis yan.
And Marjorie scratches her back. And on the other side, Willie Revillame with a lost ball at the edge. Umatras. Revillame fires a three. He misses.
Snaku Green.
Willie Revillame will try it himself. Missed that.
Sa squeaker at ito ng mga Green, maganda-ganda yung pinanalo nila. Or rather, yung Green ang napaay.
Manalo with the outlet pass. Willie Revillame shaking off Michael Flores. He is blocked, however.
That was a good block made by Michael Flores. Isang taon, tinanggal niya yung brief niya all the way.
Wala mali siya. Wala.
Ito, mild pa nga eh.
John Estrada with a putback. 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. A miss by Estrada. Primero with the offensive rebound. He misses that one completely. John Estrada about to throw one. A three. Mintis. Mike Magat for the rebound. Looks like it's called for a loose ball foul. And Dinky Dude Jr. somewhere there.
Malaking bagay. They were down by 5.
Here's Willie. Could be the last basket of the game. Hindi pa rin pumasok. So it's final. The blue team winning this one 92-85.